you don't have time to fool around. You got to just go fast and forward. And that X Prize, gave us that. And so I knew enough as an architect. What architects do well is we're integrators in a way. Like we'll have an idea. I'm not the structural engineer, but I know enough to work with the structural engineer, the mechanical engineer, the geologist. So I was able to coordinate and assemble the team, but I had the vision about the way in which these things could be synergistic together. And then I kind of understood enough to kind of integrate them, put them into a form factor. And that was what won the X Prize. But really, it was the renewable energy piece, because if you're trying to do this with energy, with solar, I mean, there are some systems that are really cool that use like desiccants, but they make very little water, so they couldn't compete on the volume. And then there are big systems that make mass amounts of water, but they're too expensive and they don't use renewable energy because they're too energy intensive. So this was an interesting challenge, because many people could have probably competed in the small water space or in the big water space, but where the impact is really needed in the world is on a kind of small village community water scale.